Obasuyi, iwa mwenwe o. Edogwe no wokpa edon. Eri edokai. Osene poni no yari odori.
My people, how na dey? I also na dey fine. Nothing wey Musa no go see for this social media o. Nothing wey we no go hear for this social media. E get one lady, this lady wey be say just talk just now. I will put the full video wey send message to Ebony. I go still put the one where Ebony take reply am. This social media. No be everything wey una see una go dey even dey talk, una no dey hear, all in the name of say I want to make content. This sister say make Ebony go marry. He say Ebony o do make you go marry. Na everybody wan marry. Abi una never hear say men dem say dem no dey marry again. Wa mai ho. If you just see the one wey be say carry you marry you, just dey kpongear you because men dem no want again. Yama igwa lo no be lie o. The thing don dey fear dem because some of them na because of their friend na make dem enter marriage o. After wey dem don enter, before you know that 2 months e go run come out. E go say na so the man no know e character. I no know say na so e be because you no fair read down before you enter. This woman just run come out. He say make Ebony go marry o. Ebony go do make you go bring husband come. You know say iya wo hu o ma o si o ma na nato. Like gimune gbowa we amu wa gben so ngune gbowa because more than not go forget una self. Some of una na even don't forget una self because of him winner re wanna put for head. Everybody not be your family, not be your sister. Sometimes even when you tell your sister say it is time for you to get married, he go tell you say now you walk where go see any man am your door. Not be lie o. He go say now you cause am wey be say not call serious man. He go call you for waste. Or maybe you know say get wetin sometimes you get the way where you like take dey talk to people, then go still dey understand. Time don dey go, make you try o. We go still dey hear. So all these things wey be say then they do they think say because that they get a platform, that they get I no know as wetin I want to talk am. More na dey suffering. Nu wa gi winere mu wa, nu wa mi ami owu wa. I will put this video more na listen to wetin she talk. Not be everybody must marry, not be everybody must born. Because this life, not be as it be before, not be so it can't be now. Things don't they change. Now no say that time where be say with the grow come. Papa and mama, they go get 7 children, 10 children. Nowadays, if a person just get 1 or 2, they'll say it's okay like that. Things don't change, oh. Things don't change. In winner raise up madam. Maybe you now, you not even get the husband. You never get, or maybe you just wadala wado now we may get her yeme. I bet more than the rest for a winner. And you know Ebony if you go marry. If you know want still marry, say na so she wants to be. Who be we where we come they ask and say Ebony carry your daughter. Now the truth oh. Now the truth. It gets sometimes says something where you not go even fit tell your pikin say you go say you mind your business. Social media I know say na everybody business. But so people where sit down there, more not go they choke them, they bring them come out. Otherwise, because you say they be celebrity, they no want make them they talk to una too they pass una boundary anyway. May I put this video for na mona watch. Love and like this video. I mean to share this video. I beg sister, may you enter house. I beg go they talk another thing. Tell people say road not good for Nigeria. Tell people say many things don't. You know, not they call the fikanazo when it look like fikanazo. They put your mouth for where you're not supposed to carry go. Wanna see they leave all this our celebrity alone. Wanna leave them. Enough is enough. Una bye bye my people.
Hell. Iwa mwenwe Ebony o. Ebony Obasuyi. Iwa mwenwe o. Edogwe no wokpa edon. Eri edokai. Osene poni no yari odori. Okwo na gbegbe wo vialeki. Odo kin lady. Oko gai kin lady ne oni ofo. Ari pe anegbe ma ho ya fe ya do aja ya wewa. Oti ma wa pare do na ari asaba. Ivigbo. Iyari kwedo. Ona iya gbe poli we experiment kere. O ado va e nonota igbo boy. Ya ga fun yo fun ere. At the end udo look date Ebony. Nula gugu nuri odori. Eji weki ane. Okwo. maniko imaye na ri flower owieni maye sogo sota ogara vani I flower oso anya na bo eri maniko ji I flower iso anya na bo never van ite sota mafune Ebony ri odori eji wekiane enari mawa o na gbera 30 years ni ipi aisun ale ni yon gme eya aisun ale ni we are 27 bana umi okpea no sikewe no we are at the age of 30 to 35 we are gbera 30 years in a bana ikpea are from 40 to 45 50 even 60 okay to asikewe awikpe an egbe wo eni awikpe an BF your money awikpe an equal oko ni aya nyiwo ta eni okin do asikewe wo mi eyan gman o asikewe Ebony ri odori enaro pa gba e awikpe an si lo asabani iwigbo ya yo ma wewa nudla wo nu ri odori ejiwe obikiane oko na ipegbe ne wo via le kodo kin lady o kin lady ne awikpe awe widow awikpe ani ko lefe ne odo ya bowa odi wejo o ya reto wa ri wejo elafi ni hia then we wa jenani o ha mu pe an yonyo gme o ha mu ya we ni ya sikewe because ugbera eyan ko ma ni lady we yin wow nyana musi.
Now, there's a video I saw this morning. Because I was in the burial ground, so I became bored. I was just flipping through my phone because I've been crying, you know. This is my friend, Papa Beria. As my friend, they cry, so I couldn't take it. I started crying because I'm a very emotional person. When I forget what the one they do, I'm a very emotional person. I'm very, very emotional. So I started crying and all that. So as she don't come on, they don't bring it at that come inside. So I started looking at my phone and I saw somebody was talking. I've been laughing non-stop. Like it was an order for me. It was an order for me. It was an audacity for me. That's the word. It was an audacity for me. That's the word. Social media sha. Social media sha. Kai. People when we say they go see you for road, normally they go they shiver. They go see, they go they from distance, they stretch neck. Say, not be Ebony be that. Now she Ebony all lay. Them go just come out, come they insult you, they talk to you anyhow. Even when you don't know them, even when you didn't do nothing to them, they will just come out and start talking trash. Start talking nonsense. Eh? If you cash out for another grandma, you dip out for her 2 eyes that she blind, they go say you did violence. They'll say you did fight. They'll say celebrities you did there. Come on now. Come on now. Some of you should stop. It's not nice. Eh? It's not nice. It's not nice. As I see that video, I just they laugh. If not before now, they never won't say. But if you don't let me do anything again, our baba make me have a social media. If I post the Wahala, if I come out on the Wahala, if not anything the Wahala, I'll be make a block. That is begging with you online. Madam, I'll come and answer you, my darling, because in my hair were there. I don't know you before. In my hair were Facebook safe. She could not even pack her hair very well. She could not even, as in she was not well knit. She didn't present herself very well. She's just looking like a mad person, and you're coming out to talk about me? Okay, I'll let this slide because it's not a good time for me. I'll just allow this burial finish. No, I'll come and answer that woman. Is the audacity for me? The way she was saying, Ebony. Eh? Why me respect Isha? You should add auntie to my name. Are you Ask sister to my name. Oh, why? I don't get respect. Ebony. Why? What is wrong with some of you? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Babe, please ignore them. This week here, someone sent a voice clip insult to me because I commented on your post. They are already jealous. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Why would you be insulting my fan? Sweetheart, can I have that voice note? Can I have the voice note? Let me see if it's a familiar voice. What is wrong with some of you? What is wrong with you? What is this? Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Tracy, they don't have respect. They do not have respect. You don't call my name like that? Ebony. Ebony. What long way, madam? Where are you? Excuse you. What is wrong with you? Ebony. 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 Mamma mia. My love, send me the voice notes. I won't see them. If you are doing well, it's a problem. If you're not doing well, it's a problem. Oh, goodness. Oh, Guinea fear. I can't sympathize with my girl. So let me go to my hotel and get ready because they are going to church soon. And she said she wants me to be with her in church. So let me go and be with her. You know? What are they suffering? What are leave me for waste? What's happen? Huh? I will not mind them, my darling. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because I am a fine baby. I will not mind them. I will not mind them. I will not mind them because they are jealous. I don't cry, sis. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because I'm a black beauty. I will not mind them. I will not mind them. I will not mind them because they are because they are ugly, because they are monkey, because they're no level, because they are bungalow. Oh my God. Of course, because of my girl here, I'll just ignore them. But jokes apart, it doesn't make sense that you just come out on live video talking to someone that doesn't know you, someone that have not seen you before, someone that doesn't even know who if you exist. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Just some of you to just stop already. Stop already, okay? Stop already. Yes. That's my number. Let me see what the person sent to you. Yeah, but you've deleted it too.